So here we are with the Sierra Hotel One Tango radio on Sierra Hotel One Tango Sunday, and if you've followed the video, we'll be doing some scrap chassis up in an attempt to get two more of these to work. But I've run out of scrap chassis. Anyway, here we go. Let's see whether Mr. Chippie is out there. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, copy.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Yes, again, we didn't have the radio on because it was a bit of a surprise doing this. So hopefully it's warmed up. It's not as cold today as it was the other day when it was diphthonging a bit.
Yeah, well, seems okay at the moment. Right, just coming up to the end of the line.
Roger, got you at the end of the line.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, got you at the service station.
Roger. Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the top of the hill as we go down towards Wilford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger that.
I think I heard his mobile phone transmitting things then over his microphone audio.
Tango 21, we're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilford. Over.
Roger, got you going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a Fidelity CB1000 and it's doing 3.2 watts over.
Roger that, all received. Right, we're now going over Wilford Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing. So that's 3 Mile Point now, the wrong side of a hill and in a cutting through stone. Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Right, now passing the Grayleys turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn. That wasn't bad at all. That's our worst one. That's the one which is 5 Mile Point and is surrounded by trees. I know it's mid-February. And probably half the trees have blown down after the storm the other day, but it's nevertheless our worst point. Roger, got you going over Rawsby Level Crossing. That concludes the test, thank you. 10-10. Okay, well, you know, it worked, didn't it? So I've heard better clarity and I've heard sets with less range. I've heard new models with less range. What we'll just do, because I've said this is 3.2 watts, I made sure it's at 14 volts. I'm just going to put our thingy meter on it, Zetagi meter, and see what the Zetagi meter thinks to what we know to be 3.2 real watts. We'll see how many Zetagi watts it's doing. Well, according to, oh, there we go. It's exactly 4 Zetagi watts. You can see that. Exactly 4. So we'll go over to our Harrier CBHQ base station and we'll see what it sounds like on this replacement microphone that doesn't have a screen lead. Tango 21 testing the Fidelity 1000, which uses the great GT848 chassis, into our Harrier CBHQ base station. This is a 1981 radio with a new replacement microphone, standard replacement. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and thank